Is your Garmin Montana 700's touchscreen not responding? Don't worry, in many cases, you can fix it yourself. This video will guide you through the most common solution, touchscreen calibration. We'll explain why this happens and how to get your GPS working smoothly again. Remember, the Montana 700 is an older device, but often a simple recalibration can breathe new life into it. The Garmin Montana 700 uses a resistive touchscreen, a technology designed for durability in outdoor conditions. It works by detecting pressure applied to the screen surface. When you press down, two conductive layers make contact, completing an electrical circuit. Unlike capacitive screens on smartphones that use electrical charges and work with bare fingers, resistive touchscreens are activated by pressure and can work with gloves or styluses. However, resistive screens are more susceptible to misalignment and environmental factors like dust and moisture. Over time, the conductive layers can drift apart due to wear or environmental exposure, causing unresponsiveness. Calibration helps realign these layers by remapping the touch coordinates to match the current screen state. First things first, power on your Garmin Montana 700 by pressing and holding the power button. Once powered on, you'll see the main menu on the screen. From the main menu, navigate to the Setup option. Select Setup to enter the Settings menu. Within Setup, select the Display option. Within the display settings, find and select the Touchscreen Calibration option. Make sure your screen is clean and free of dirt or moisture before proceeding with calibration. The device will now display a series of targets on the screen. Using your finger or a stylus, carefully tap each target as accurately as possible. Take your time and ensure each tap is precise. The device will analyze your inputs and adjust the touchscreen sensitivity accordingly. It typically takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete. If the touchscreen calibration fails repeatedly, the first thing to check is your battery level. A low battery can interfere with the calibration process, preventing it from completing successfully. Next, visually inspect the touchscreen for any physical damage. Look for cracks, deep scratches, or other signs of wear. Significant damage to the screen can prevent calibration from working properly, as it may affect the touchscreen's ability to register inputs. If calibration still fails after checking battery and screen, restart the device. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary software issues and allow calibration to proceed normally. Finally, if calibration continues to fail, repeat the entire process 2-3 times. Sometimes it takes multiple attempts to properly recalibrate the touchscreen, especially if the device has been exposed to challenging conditions. If touchscreen calibration doesn't solve the unresponsiveness problem, you might be facing a hardware issue. Common hardware problems include a damaged digitizer, which is the layer that detects touch input on resistive touchscreens like the Montana 700. Because the Garmin Montana 700 is an older model released in 2014, Garmin discontinued official support and repair services around 2020. They no longer offer replacement parts or technical assistance for this device. That said, the device is popular in outdoor communities, so many users have created detailed DIY repair guides. These often include step-by-step instructions for replacing damaged screens or cleaning internal components, available on platforms like YouTube and electronics forums. However, attempting DIY repairs requires technical skill and carries risks. Improper disassembly can damage delicate components like the circuit board or antenna, potentially making the device unusable. Always research thoroughly and consider professional electronics repair services if you're not experienced. In summary, while hardware issues beyond calibration are common in aging devices like the Montana 700, official repair options are limited. DIY solutions exist but should be approached carefully to avoid further damage. To prevent future touchscreen issues, perform calibration periodically. This should be done every 6 to 12 months or immediately after exposure to extreme temperatures or moisture, which can cause the resistive touchscreen layers to misalign. Consider using a screen protector to shield the touchscreen from scratches and impacts. A quality protector like those with anti-glare properties can maintain clarity while protecting against fingerprints and physical damage. Store your Garmin Montana 700 in a protective case when not in use to minimize environmental exposure. A silicone or rugged case can protect against dust, moisture, and accidental drops, extending the life of your touchscreen. While the Montana 700 is a rugged and reliable device, consider exploring newer GPS solutions if touchscreen issues persist or if you're looking for more advanced features. Smartphone apps like Gaia GPS and AllTrails offer robust navigation capabilities and integrate seamlessly with Garmin's ecosystem. These apps provide offline maps, real-time weather updates, and community-shared trails, making them excellent alternatives for modern outdoor navigation. Newer Garmin devices like the GPS Map 66R feature improved touchscreen technology, better displays, and advanced features such as multi-band GPS for enhanced accuracy, wireless connectivity, and integrated health monitoring. Looking ahead, satellite-based communicators like Garmin's inReach provide two-way messaging and SOS capabilities, while wearable devices like the Phoenix series offer integrated GPS with fitness tracking for comprehensive outdoor experiences.